and welcome once again to Cooking with Mahagedra. We know how much everyone loves a nice, good old refreshing juice. And so we're going to show you how to make this very simple but delicious drink. You'll need ripe guavas, about 3 or 4 would do. Start by cutting off the ends and then straight into chunks as shown here. You don't have to peel these. You can straight away use them as they are. After cutting them up in chunks as shown here, transfer them into the blender. For taste, add 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt, then add about half a cup of water and just blend away. To tell you a little bit about the goodness of guavas, guavas are rich in vitamins A, C and B6, as well as folate, thiamine and riboflavins. Guavas are also rich in antioxidants, and if drunk as a juice, would be an ideal drink for those hoping to lose weight. They're also very rich in vitamins, proteins and minerals. So there we have it. Serve it up with some ice. Isn't that a lovely drink? Give it a try and let us know what you think about it. Thank you for watching us. Until we see you next time on Cooking with Mahagedra.